Assalamu alaikum class 5. This is Khalid Salim, and today in our lecture we are going to continue on our lesson from where we left off before. Okay, so starting with the lecture, let's start reading. The night was dark without a star in the sky, and I knew that lying on the sand would be dangerous. I crawled away from the sea as fast as I could and came to some bushes and trees. Okay, this is the scene when he actually swims in the rough seas and comes back to the shore. So that night it was very dark. It did not have any star in the sky, and he knew that he could not stay on the beach for a long time. So he actually crawled himself away from the sea and he came to some bushes and trees. I didn't know what wild animals there would be. Okay, this is the scene where he is actually crawling away from the sea towards the bushes and the trees. Okay. I didn't know what wild animals there would be in the forest, so I climbed up one of the trees and made myself comfortable between two great branches. There I slept the night as well as I could. So actually, the motivation behind his, getting away from the beach was that he was unsure about the place where he was. He was fearing that there might be some wild animals that might attack him during the night. So he actually came towards the trees, and he climbed them, and he actually settled himself above on those trees, on the branches. There I slept the night as well as I could. So he tried to rest there as well as he could. Okay. uh, in the morning, I looked across the sea, and there was our ship a quarter of a mile away from the shore. So when he woke up, and in the morning, he looked at the sea, looked out at the sea, and he could see his ship, and it was like a quarter of a mile away from the shore. I came down the tree and found a stream where I drank some of the cool fresh water. So actually, he came down where he was resting, and then he found a stream, and there he actually satisfied his thirst by drinking the cool water of the stream. Okay, I lay down and slept again. Okay, so he was very tired actually, so he just came down for water, and he went back to sleep. The sun was high in The sun was high in the sky when I woke up. I resolved to go out to the ship and to try to bring back some things which would be useful to me on the island. So actually अब यहाँ पे we discuss the meaning. Resolve का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे decide, ठीक है, to plan, to actually have a plan of action and then to execute it. And so he decided that he would go to the ship and he would try to get some of the things of the ship that might prove to be useful to him on the island. Okay, I plunged into the sea and made for the ship. So actually he dived back. Plunged यहाँ पे यही है. It means that he dived back into the sea, and he made his way towards the ship. At last, after a hard swim, I managed to reach it and discovered a rope hanging over the side. So when he was in the water, he was very close to the ship. So he saw this rope hanging from the side of the ship, and so he grabbed it and he climbed himself up the ship. With great difficulty, I pulled myself up the rope and reached the deck. तो काफ़ी मुश्किल से जो है, he pulled himself up the rope, and then he was on top of the ship, on the deck actually. The storm had damaged everything. There were broken masts and torn sails and pieces of rope all over the ship. So the storm had caused great damage to the ship, and it had almost damaged everything that was present on the ship. So the masts, they were broken, and they were torn sails. Torn का मतलब होता है कि फट जाना. It's the this is the past participle that has been used as an adjective over here. ठीक है. Tear जो हम कहते हैं एक verb है, उसका tore जो past form है, और torn जो है that is the third form. Okay, and pieces of rope all over the ship, and I mean there was such a huge damage to be found on top of the ship. The masts were broken, and the sails were torn, and there were pieces of rope all over the ship. I went down into the cabins and found an axe. Okay, so he went down into the cabins. Cabins are the places where actually the crew is staying, and he found an axe. Axe का मतलब होता है कुल्हाड़ा. Okay. On deck again, I cut the mast and ropes and made myself a small raft. So raft is a boat. Okay, so he actually cut the mast and the ropes, and he assembled himself a small boat. I managed to get this raft into the sea and tied to the vessel with a rope. So actually he threw down that raft into the sea, and he had that raft attached with a piece of rope, and he attached it with the vessel का मतलब होता है ship. Okay. uh, I found some of the seamen's boxes on board and filled them with stores, bread, rice, and cheese. All these I piled on to the raft, and having found a broken oar, I cast off from the vessel and started for the shore. So he actually, you can say, he left the vessel, and then he started his journey towards the shore. But before that, he actually went into the cabins, found an axe, okay, and then he opened some Siemens boxes, and then he filled them with bread, rice, and cheese, so that he may be able to feed himself while he's all alone on the island. When I reached the sand, I carried the things up onto the dry land. So when he actually landed on the shore on his small raft, so he carried all those things that he had piled on his small raft, cement boxes that were filled with bread, cheese, and rice, and he carried them up to a dry land so that they might not get, you can say, spoiled. Uh, the next morning, I walked along the shore. Okay. The next morning, I walked along the shore and up a little hill. From there, I could see that I was on an island. Okay, island का मतलब होता है जजीरा. It's a piece of land that is surrounded by all the four sides by water. Okay, I was a prisoner without a friend in the world. There was no one living on the island but wild beasts. So next morning, he actually climbed a little hill, and from there he could look around where he was, and he discovered that he was on an island, and that island was surrounded by water on all four sides, and he felt like a prisoner. Prisoner का मतलब होता है कैदी. And he did not have, of course, he was alone, and he was feeling very lonely, and he felt that he was a prisoner on this island, and he had no one to talk to. And this island, it was inhabited by wild beasts as well. I mean, wild beasts, they were living here on this island. Okay. The next morning I walked. Sorry. The next morning I walked along the shore. Sorry. The next day I went back across the sea and brought more stores from the ship. So the next day he did the same thing. He He actually went back to his ship, and he got more things to use as food from the ship. Every day I toiled का मतलब होता है, it means to work very hard. ठीक है, it's a verb. So every day he worked very hard. I brought tools, wood, rope, nails, sails and clothes, guns and ammunition, and sugar and flour, and bread. So he brought whatever things he could from the ship that he felt that they would be of some use to him on the island. So this list has been given to us what he was actually bringing from the ship. In one of the wooden boxes, I found gold and silver coins. The sunshine made them sparkle. Sparkle means shine. Okay? So in one box, he found gold and silver coins, and when he opened it, and the sun was shining high above. So when the sunlight actually was shining on these gold and silver coins, so they it sparkle actually. Okay, what use are you to me? I asked. Everyone in the world desires you but me. So he is all alone, and of course there are no shops to shop from on the island, and so currency, gold, or any other sort of, you can say, expects any sort of thing is not required on the island, because he would be surviving. He does not he wo- this these gold coins or silver coins, they would be of no help to him on the island. Okay, so he's not desiring them at the moment because he's all alone. Okay. Just wait, let it focus. Okay. When I got back to my island, I noticed that the sky was black. Great clouds rolled up from the west. The rain poured down. So, after getting all these things from the ship, he came back onto the island. So the sky was getting dark, and the clouds were coming from the from the position of from west actually, and then it started pouring rain. Okay, I saw the ship out at sea rise and then sink beneath a huge wave. So even that ship was lost. And okay, during the next few months, I busied myself in making a house with a strong stockade round it. Okay, stockade we studied in the words meaning section. It's a wooden fence that is made to keep out animals or to keep out intruders from entering into your property. Okay, I used one of the sails from the ship for the roof. So actually, he after a few months, actually, he kept himself busy by constructing a house, and he had actually. Constructed a very strong stockade round it as well. So he used one of the sails from the ship for the roof. So for house जब बना रहा था तो roof के लिए he used sails of the ship. I cut down tree trunks and carried them to the house and slowly built a strong stockade to keep out wild animals. So for the construction of stockade, he actually cut down trees and then used uh, uh, the wood of the trees to make a stockade. इसके बाद है द मंथ्स पास्ट इन हार्ड वर्क एंड वन डे आई सेट आउट टू एक्सप्लोर द होल आइलैंड. एक्सप्लोर का मतलब होता है डिस्कवर. ठीक है, कि आप किसी जगह एक्सप्लोर करने जाते हैं तो इट मीन्स यू आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड समथिंग, यू आर ट्राइंग टू डिस्कवर समथिंग. सो as time passed and he was working very hard, so one day he decided, he's going to explore the whole island and he's going to see what he could find for himself. The journey took me 3 days, and when I got to the other side of the island, I found a delightful valley. Delightful, it means you can say charming, something that is very pleasant, something that is very pleasing, something that makes you very happy. It's delightful. Okay, so the whole journey took him from one point to the other point of the island 3 days, and he found a very charming valley over there. Valley का मतलब होता है वादी. Okay, and what is a valley? It's you can say a body of water that is passing between two mountains. There were wild grapes and limes, and I collected a quantity of these and took them back to my house. So, the what about the vegetation that was on the island? Wild grapes were growing and limes also. Limes are just like lemons. They also have a sour taste actually. So he basically collected them and he took them back to his house. So one day in the forest, not far from my house, I found some wild goats. I was just about to shoot one when I saw at my feet a baby goat. So one day not far from his house, he found some wild goats, and as he was about to, use his gun to shoot one of the wild goats, he saw a baby goat wandering near his feet. So he picked it up and carried it home. Sorry. I picked it up and carried it home with me. In a few days, it became quite tame. Tame का मतलब होता है when the animal is no longer afraid of you and he actually, obeys your instruction, whatever you want the animal to do. And after that, it never left my side. So as they were wild goats, so it took some time for the baby goat to get used to Robinson Crusoe, and because at first it might be escaping, it might be fearing Robinson Crusoe, but later on that goat got accustomed or acclimated to Robinson, and it actually never left his side after a year or two on the island. So actually you can see he had already spent quite a long time on the island. I decided to make a small boat. So he decided that he is going to rescue himself from this island and he's going to construct a boat and eventually be trying to leave this island and to try and find people so he could go return back to his house. I chose the wood carefully and cut and worked the timber for many months. Timber का मतलब भी wood ही होता है, ठीक है. So for this purpose, for the construction of a boat, he chose the type of wood very carefully, and he worked the wood or timber for many months. I made a sail from some of the canvas I had bought on shore from the ship. Canvas is a piece of cloth. It's made up of a very rough material, and this is the same and it is the same cloth, you can say, that is used to produce sails of a ship. ठीक है, तो काफ़ी मोटा कपड़ा होता है ये. I bought from shore from the ship, and with a good wind, the boat sailed well. So he made the sail for his boat from the canvas that he actually brought back from the ship, and he also tested it. And when there was good wind, so the boat it sailed very well. Okay. I taught myself how to make pots out of mud. So he of course he was learning new skills on the island because he was all alone, and he had all the time in the world to try his hands at different things. So he taught himself how to make pots out of mud and how to make them hard and durable by burning them. Okay. Durable का मतलब होता है long lasting. If something is durable, so it's long lasting and it does not wear or tear down very easily. So he also made them quite hard and durable by burning them. I grew some corn and rice and also some wheat, and I taught myself to make bread. So he also started his hand at farming, and he grew some corn and rice and also wheat, gandum जिसे हम कहते हैं, and he also taught himself how to make bread. My life on the island was a happy one. I had a good house, plenty to eat, and plenty of work to do. So he was quite happy because he's working all the time, and he had a good house, and there was plenty to eat for him. And of course there was so much work, uh, for him to do on the island. One day I was walking along the seashore का मतलब होता है ये साहिली इलाका, ठीक है, thinking about my home across the seas, when I suddenly looked down. So one day he was just walking on the seashore, or you can say the beach, and he was thinking about his home, uh, not the home on the island, the home back from where he actually came from. So, and then he had a sudden look, on the beach. There on the sand in front of me was a clear footprint. It was not mine, but the footprint of another man. So you can see some mystery has been left for us to solve. So as he was walking down the seashore, and he looked down on the sand, and he could clearly see that there was a print of a there was a footprint of a man, and it was clearly not his. So here the story ends, and you can see how this story starts. And but we are just reading an extract का मतलब होता है कि एक थोड़ा सा हिस्सा नॉवल का. So if you guys are interested in knowing more about Robinson Crusoe, I would suggest to you that you buy an abridged version of Robinson Crusoe by Daniel Defoe, and you should try to read the whole novel, because reading is very important at this stage. Okay, so you are having a lot of free time on your hands, so I would recommend that you go for the full novel. Okay, about the author, Daniel Defoe was an English merchant, writer, journalist, and spy, as well as a novelist and poet. He wrote on many topics, both fiction and non-fiction. फिक्शन मीन्स कोई आप स्टोरी खुद ही जो है वो बना लेते हैं, ठीक है, इट्स नॉट बेस्ड ऑन रियलिटी. एंड नॉन फिक्शन मीन्स समथिंग दैट इज़ नॉट फिक्टिशियस, ठीक है. नॉन फिक्शन होती है जो हकीकत में मबनी कोई स्टोरी हो, कोई इंसिडेंट हो, ठीक है. आई होप यू गॉट दिस पॉइंट. रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो इज़ बेस्ट नोन नॉवल. सो डैनियल डिफो इज़ only known for this novel. Actually, this is the only novel that people know him from. Our chapter, the reading of our chapter is done. I hope that uh, that you have understood it quite well, and there's nothing that is not covered in our reading. So today's work would be the word sentences, because in my previous lecture I asked you to write the words meaning. So inshallah, do the word make the sentences of the words that are in the words meaning section. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.